Hello, I'm Mr. Brown. First name Mr., last name Brown.
This is Mr. Brown. First name Mr., last name Brown.
Hello, Mr. Brown! Hello, Mr. Brown!
He has the amazing ability to communicate to students of all ages, delivering his message to thousands each year. He grew up in a single-parent home in the inner city, but attended a suburban school. From that experience, he learned that no matter where you come from or what situation you find yourself in, it all comes down to your choices. Are you ready? Well, get ready to join thousands of others and say,
I'll be in your area the week of September 15th, working with Crestview Elementary School. I should say I'll be back. I had a great time with them last week at a professional development. We talked about choices, we talked about classrooms. We had an amazing time. There was so much collaboration, laughter, and connection with the staff. And I'm coming back to do assemblies, classroom visits, and a family night. Well, I'll be in town the entire week of September 15th, and I got a couple days available to come to your school. So I talked to Jody, she said she'd be willing to send this email out and let you guys know we have some slots available. But first come, first serve. And here's the kicker, you get a discount. You get a discount because my travel expense already been paid, and I would love to be put to work while I'm in town. So visit hellomrbrown.com. I have a couple sample videos on there, more information for you, or email us at hello@thechoosevilleGroup.com to find out if our program's a fit for your school. We only have 3 slots available, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, but I would love to partner with your school to help your students make better choices to live better lives. So what will you choose? Will you choose to partner with me? I hope so I can say, you can say, oh yeah.